Now my second video is direct and inverse proportion. So what is a direct proportion? As one variable increases, the other also increases, and as one variable decreases, the other decreases. And the sign, its equation is A. Suppose A is directly proportional to B. If A increases, B will also increase. If A quantity decreases, B quantity will also decrease. This means that we are in the direct proportion. In case of what is an inverse proportion? So one variable increases, the other decreases, and as one variable decreases, the other increases, and its equation will be x is inversely x is inversely proportional to 1 over y. What does it mean? If x increases, y decreases. If x decreases, y increases. So this is the theme for the inverse proportion. If y is proportional to x, then you can write is y is directly proportional to x or y is equal to kx. Proportionality का साइन जब हटाते हैं तो एक कांस्टेंट आता है हमारे पास which is called as k. So this is the equation for direct proportion. If y is inversely proportional to x, then you can write as y is inversely proportional to 1 over x, or else we can write as sign of proportionality, remove this sign and put a constant k here. The value of k is a constant and is called the constant of proportionality. Note the term varies as is also instead of is proportional to. If a is proportional to the cube of b, there must be questions like this. If a is proportional to the cube b, a is proportional to the cube of b, and a is equal to 4 when b is equal to 2. Find the value of k, the constant of proportionality, and the value of b, and the value of b when a value of a when b is equal to 5. So according to the condition, a is proportional to the cube of b. A is directly proportional to cube of b. So removing the proportionality sign, here it will be a is equal to k b3. Now we have two values here, a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 2. Put these values in this equation. A is equal to 4 and b is equal to 2. 2 to the power 3 will be 8 and k will be 1 by 2. So first we find the value of k. So and then the value of a when b is equal to 5. So if you want to find the value of a, we will use this equation, a is equal to kb3. A is equal to kb3. K is equal to 1 over 2 and b is equal to 5. In the next part, b is equal to 5. 5 to the power 3 125, it will give you 62.5. So this was the example for direct variation. Another example, given that p varies inversely as the cube of q3. P varies as inversely of q3, or when we remove the proportionality sign, it will be p is equal to k over q3. Now p is equal to 1 when q is equal to 1 over 2. P is equal to 1 when q is equal to 1 over 2. So p is equal to 1 when q is equal to 1 over 2. Now in this way we can find the value of k. It will be 1 by 8. Now in the second part he is saying that you have also to find the value of p when q is equal to 3. So value of p you have to find when q is equal to 3. 3 to the power 3 will be 27 and 1 over 216. This will be the answer. So this was my worksheet for direct and inverse proportion, and I illustrated what, first of all I introduced what is the direct proportion, what is the inverse proportion, and then I explain it to you these two phenomena with the help of these two examples. This is example number 1, this is example number 2. Example number 1, this example, such type of questions also be seen in your final paper. So practice for these. I'll send the practice question for you very soon. Okay then.